Hello everyone, I'm Chase of Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the off-road pack from Fly Racing. All right everyone, thanks for checking in. Today we're giving you a closer look at this off-road pack from Fly Racing. If you're in the market for one of these, we have a lot of great options on our website. However, I think Fly Racing did a really good job with this one. I think it's well thought out. There's a lot of great features to it. And I love the price point. You're about 45 bucks. So at that price, I think there's a lot of value here. So we'll go through, we'll show you everything that you're getting with the off-road pack, help you decide if this is going to be the best option for you. Now, first off, let's just talk about the waist belt. Here's what I like. They actually use what they call their nylon grip strap. So you notice here that it's a nylon strap, but you see this gray material in the middle here? This is actually woven into that nylon strap, and it actually has a really rubbery or texture feel to it, almost like the silicone that you have on the back of a goggle strap to help keep it in place. Same concept here, and what I like about that is that once you have this waist belt exactly where you want it, that grippy material will help prevent this from loosening up while you're on your ride. So I like that benefit. I haven't seen this on any other waist packs before. As far as the center buckle goes, it's nice and heavy duty. It's actually a YKK shotgun lock buckle. Just means it's temp stable. It's going to resist absorbing water in humid conditions. So it's just a really durable buckle. As far as the rest of the waist belt goes, nice and wide, so it's not going to dig in when you have this thing cinched down. You do have some padding here on the sides as well as the back. And this does have a little bit more of a grippy texture compared to the rest of the pack, just to help it stay in place a little bit better once you do have everything cinched down. Now, if you look here on the rider's right, you'll notice that you do have this nylon webbing, so you can use that as an attachment point for other items that you want to put on there. On the rider's left, here's what I like about this pack. You have a water bottle holder. And the reason that I like that is that there's some riders out there who maybe don't want to wear a hydration pack and a waist belt all at the same time. You want to have just one or the other. So with this pack, you can still get your tools, your additional gear, you keep everything organized, and you can still have a way to carry some water. So you've got this water bottle pouch. So I'll put my whole arm inside there just to see how deep that is. But here's what's also nice. If you want to, if your water bottle that you want to take is even larger than what this will allow, unzip the pocket on the bottom, it expands. Now you can see just how much deeper that is. So you can get a pretty large water bottle inside here. So zip that back up. Now for your main compartments, you've got two compression straps down here at the bottom with these buckles. Open that up. So on the inside of this lid, you can see you've got a large plastic clear compartment, which is nice. On the front here, zippered compartment, just one big pouch here. This is big enough to say this would be, say, a spare tube you could put inside here, some of your larger items, maybe a packable jacket. Next compartment is going to give you organization for your tools. So you can see on the inside right here, small plastic compartment, great for your nuts and bolts. You've got some elastic webbing underneath that. You've also got a little key clip here. I also like too that on the back of this, it's actually more of a rigid material. So what I like about that is that maybe you have some open-ended wrenches, some tire spoons inside here. That's just going to prevent those from digging into your back once you have this all cinched down. If I look down to the bottom here, you got a little Velcro patch here. Open that up. You have this little zippered mesh pocket that's going to hang down. And then underneath that, you can see a lot more of that elastic webbing to keep your tools in place. And the last little feature that I want to point out that I like about this, that again I haven't seen on other packs, is that first main compartment that I showed you, this flap. This is removable. So if you want to go minimalistic, or maybe you just don't feel like you have or you need that much space, there's a zipper right here on the top, and that just zips right off. So if you don't want it, you don't have to use it. You still have a fully functional waist pack. And that is it. That is the off-road pack from Fly Racing. If you have questions or comments about this, we want to get those answers, so make sure to leave those below. To pick one of these up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Also, like I said, be sure to check out all the other great options that we do offer. If you like this product spotlight, you want to see more like it, make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. That way you know when we're releasing the latest and greatest product spotlights here at Rocky Mountain. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.